Hi everyone, it's your life coach Gagan here, and congratulations, you've made it to day 7 of our 7-day law of attraction challenge. You must clap for yourself. I'm so happy and proud to be part of your journey, and I'm sure you're feeling empowered, inspired, and more aligned with your dreams than ever before. And 7 days have just gone like this, and I'm sure this week's incredible journey has been very, very profound, and of course you found so many things about yourself. While I'm so proud each one of you for taking time and energy to invest in yourself and your future, today we are going to recap everything we have learned, go over some best practicing for using the law of attraction in our everyday life, and talk about how to live fully, embracing all that good the universe has to offer. Okay, so let's take a quick moment to revisit what we've covered over the past 6 days. Day 1, we started with the basics of law of attraction and setting intentions, that how powerful the simple concept is and how your intentions can recreate so much outside you, and it can shape your reality and beliefs, and it can create an experience that you want. Day 2, we jumped into self-love and mirror practice, and of course calling out affirmations, being kind to yourself, experiencing those emotions. The experiences shared by all of you were amazing, and it actually helped me level up also. Okay, day 3, we took our 24 hours of positivity challenge, shifting our mindset, creating positive all around us, and of course pushing ourselves to be on a positive intent, which was great. On day 4, we created a desire list, a powerful tool to manifest your dreams and clarity and achieve focus. And on day 5, you learned about that, how the small magical moments around you can shape up your life so wonderfully, isn't it? So that was about day 5. Day 6, we talked about activating your manifestation power. You visualized your desires and began feeling them as if they're already true, sending out powerful vibrations to the universe, feeling the outcome, living that as it has already happened. Each one of these steps have been designed to help you tap into these immense potential within you. We all have this power, and I hope you've already started to notice shifts, whether it's your mindset, your energy, or even some tangible benefits coming out way. And now let's talk about some best practices to keep this energy flowing and manifest your desires effortlessly. Number 1 is to stay consistent. The law of attraction is all about consistency, whether it's visualization, practicing gratitude, mirror practice, or focusing on your thoughts. Consistency is the key to aligning your energy with what you want. Number 2 is believing in the process. Trust that universe is working for you. Even when you don't see immediate results, your belief is magnet for your desires. The more you believe, the faster things begin to align with yourself. And it would vary from a person to person. So keep going for that. Okay. Number 3 is practicing gratitude. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrations. Take time daily to express gratitude for what you already have, during that magical moment hour. This is not only amplifies your desires, but also helps you stay connected with the abundance around you. Number 4 is emotions. Don't visualize your desire. Don't just visualize. Feel the emotions associated with the, same. And universe responds to your emotional frequency. So the more you feel the joy, excitement, and gratitude for your desires, the faster they are going to manifest. Look beyond your present moment. Okay, take inspired action. It's very important. Law of attraction itself states attract will have action. So not just intention setting and visualization will work. You have to take inspired action also. So yes, universe will create opportunities for you, and you can take some inspired action to go for your dreams and get your desire list done. Number 6 is about clearing your limiting beliefs. We all have some limiting beliefs that might be blocking your manifestation power. Clearing them through affirmation, mindset shifts, and self-love. The first part is identifying your limiting beliefs, and then you could start changing them. Okay, so as we wrap up this challenge, I want you to remember that law of attraction isn't one-time practice. It is a lifestyle. It's not just about techniques, as I keep saying. So it's about living fully, embracing each moment, and trusting that everything you need is already on its way to you. So keep working on yourself. And to live fully is to stay open to opportunities, embrace each day with gratitude and optimism, focus on things always work out in your favor, trust in yourself, and universe as partners in co-creating your dream life. There's something bigger, beyond us, which is getting this universe, do things for us. So manifesting isn't about getting things, it's about living life aligned with your true purpose and highest good. It's about feeling of joy, freedom, and abundance in every moment, knowing that all desires are already on their way. So if you want to manifest a 10 crore rupees or dollars, it's about the feeling that you will get, right? So focus on the feelings and trust the process. Okay. So before we finish today's session, I want you to encourage you to keep going and take your manifestation journey to the next level. If you have enjoyed this challenge and want to deep dive further into law of attraction, I'm offering you exclusive advanced law of attraction workshop where I'll walk you through more advanced techniques and powerful tools to accelerate your manifestation power. Click in the link in the description below to enroll and use the special code on the screen, for the discount for this exclusive group of people, and we can make more magical moments and create a life that you actually desire. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more in-depth content, tips, and future challenges that will help you live your best life. And we're coming up with a lot of content for all of you. Okay, and thank you for joining me on this transformative journey. I'm so proud of everything you have accomplished, and I can't wait to see you manifest next. So reach out to me in DMs, sharing your manifestation stories, sharing how life has wonderfully changed. If not today, tomorrow, month, 6 months later, I am so happy, that I will be hearing from all of you. Okay, remember, the power to create the life you want is within you. Always has been, always will be. So start taking action, start living that, outcome. Keep believing, keep visualizing, and keep living fully, because the magic is within you. So take care, and I'll see you soon. Stay amazing. And this is your life and law of attraction master coach Gagan signing off for this workshop. But yes, I'm so super happy and proud that we could make a great change in last 7 days. Okay, so stay connected for your daily dose of positivity.